It's been a wild ride in the crypto world. Bitcoin is always the big name, but other coins stole the show this week. XRP, Hedera, also known as HBAR, and Stellar, or XLM, all made big jumps. Let's break down what happened and what it could mean. First, let's look at the numbers. Bitcoin is holding steady, but XRP is up over 37% for the week. That's huge. Hedera saw a 31% gain, which is also impressive. Stellar is up too, with a 14% increase. These gains are getting a lot of attention. Now, why all the excitement? There are a few key factors driving these price movements. We'll dive into each coin individually, but the overall sentiment is positive. People are excited about the future of crypto. XRP has been on fire. This week, it even surpassed Bitcoin in trading volume on Coinbase. That's a big deal. It shows that investors are really paying attention to XRP. So, what's behind this surge? A big factor is the expectation of a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment. There's a feeling that the government may be easing up on its scrutiny of XRP. This has made some investors very bullish. However, it's important to remember that XRP is still under the watchful eye of the SEC. The regulatory situation is not fully resolved. This uncertainty is a risk to keep in mind. Even with the risks, XRP's performance this week is impossible to ignore. It's definitely a coin to watch. Hedera is another coin that made headlines this week. It shot up over 30%, fueled by a major partnership and rumors of a potential ETF. Big news. The partnership is with the World Gemological Institute and Vaultic. They're working together to tokenize $3 billion worth of diamonds and other goods on the Hedera network. This is a huge vote of confidence in Hedera's technology. Adding to the excitement is the rumor of a Hedera ETF. An ETF would make it easier for institutional investors to get exposure to HBAR. This could bring a lot of new money into the market. Of course, the ETF is just a rumor at this point, nothing is confirmed, but the possibility is definitely driving speculation and pushing the price higher. This week was a wild ride in the crypto markets. XRP and Hedera led the charge, while Bitcoin took a bit of a back seat. Stellar also benefited from the positive sentiment. Looking ahead, all eyes will be on the regulatory landscape. The SEC is expected to make some big decisions in the coming months. These decisions will have a major impact on the entire crypto market. It's important to remember that crypto is still a very volatile asset class. Prices can move up or down quickly. This week's gains are exciting, but it's important to invest responsibly and be prepared for potential losses. Overall, the future of crypto is looking bright. Innovation is happening at a rapid pace. New partnerships and use cases are emerging all the time. Keep an eye on these coins, as they could be leading the way in the years to come.